episode 2 of Thomas and his friends. This time, the episode is going to be some troublesome trucks. Thomas, I have to say something. Someone has crashed. Who is it? Well, someone named Henry crashed. Why don't you use Dutchin or something, whatever's his name, the yellow tank engine. He's on the main line. He's not here, he's lost. So what is gonna happen? I'm making James take the car. Why not me? Hey James. What? You're gonna pour goods trains to the mainland. I want to. Somebody to pay the fee. Somebody has to be the favorite. Sir Topham Hat thinks I am the favorite. Sir Topham Hat asking James he has to pull a good train tomorrow. 6 hours later. Hey, Wed. Where are my cars? Oh yeah, Thomas. Thomas! I am the favorite. I am the favorite. Send me to the mainland. Send me. Hey, Diesel, can you tell me where is this town named whatever town? It's a few miles. And what is this? And what's wrong with your voice? Well, what's wrong with your voice? That's actually kind of true. And also, you're big. You're bigger than me. Are you a Union Pacific? Yes. Let me pass by. Ugh. 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 Hello. What's wrong with your voice? What are you talking about? I'm trying to find this kid named Thomas. Oh, I have seen him before. Send me to him. What the? books are already here. James. Oh my. Send me to the scrapyard. Oh, it's such a good day. Wow. It's the end of our life. Please like and subscribe. If we can reach maybe like 50 or 100 likes or subscribers in my channel. If we reach 100 subscribers in my channel or 50 likes in my video, in this video, I will make a short showing how what season 3 might eventually be talked through. So bye.